don't know Afrin. Oh God, man.
You must know like Jayden.
No, man, Jayden I really tell lie, you know. A long time I know him. I say you got Afrin Osh.
Long time you land that part is it. When I time you land in the house and I size up body and I see who and long is it. So
Yeah.
you have a real dog, is it?
How far where I come from, man?
You do say, you do a sickness for the app.
Eh?
Press the big button.
Amy, you want me? Amy, behave yourself. Behave yourself and calm the fuck down.
Yo, so Lando, Emina come over there back. Come over back.
You know, say she something that, you know, bro, Africa with the day, you know.
So she, oh, African did there?
Yeah.
So I go back Africa?
No, man, I make sure for the yard.
How we are going to do that?
Wait and you go see.
Bumbokla, hey, Lando, if you do that, you know, man, hey, if I'm here, you know, man, I lock that in the house and tie that down, you know, that can't see sunlight, you know. That's clear. Just wait until me get for a woman, man. You see it. When Rascal, you know, can't see the woman there, not even sun shine on her skin, me I tell you. Then I go wonder if I touch her, me I touch her in there.
Me don't give me boy. You have to protect what you hear what? You don't give me that.
Come in now, that one I walk out 3 doors like your last one.
Yo, Kim K.
Alright, Afrin, they must say if you go on, darling.
No, me I ask you which woman. They can't tell me if you go, eh?
I share that say thing, but yeah, alright. Stay.
I don't say nothing.
Yeah, she just come over here in the comment section and I say if you tell Jayden for say Ray. I really think.
Tell that pussy clear like for me. They don't fuck with me.
Stop. Yo, I want to Rose. I want to but you calm yourself, mama. You see it. You a better girl for them girl, I know. You see
Me I go on like you want to stress me, you know, bro. You know, say my mark already. How you want me walk around with skeleton?
Me there.
Yo, Emmy, you know one thing I notice with the girl them, you see anytime the girl them they run man, them put on them wig and them thing, they see it. But anytime you see as them left or you see them in them ballad and you see them in them bonnet and them whatever.
I'm
You see?
Jayden, fuck off.
Yo, you know so much for a YouTube video and somebody I get fat.
Somebody I get fat.
Hold on there, give me a minute. Then I'm gonna put up that green screen. I'm gonna really want the screen record.
Which
Oh,
you call
Jayden, nobody do me that, you know, bro. You know what? Put up a green, man. If she put up green screen, you know, see why I'm not do the same thing too.
Yeah, man, Maya put on weight on them thing, they see it. Me rate how Maya look, you see it.
No, sir, she has set up in this. Jesus Christ.
Hey, I really want donkey to choose the blood clot. So, Afrin, you're not talking. You're not talking, so.
Me just a listen to me. I don't know if you say.
The Afrin, how much? You look young.
Jabas.
Well, wait. Cause you don't believe me now. Not because my chest flat. Jesus Christ. Wow. You see your name? You not see it?
You put it in your nails on, so.
No, Jayden, me's not a hot girl. I like to be natural.
Me like that.
No yourself, man. If you have Jayden, man, the type of man will transform me, you know.
No,
you have a gaming chair? You have a gaming chair?
You can buy in chair that already with me. Anything with Jayden can get it myself.
You know, so gotta go there bad. Gotta go there bad, man. Tell me, man.
Bye.
Gotta go there bad, man. That's it. I'm not praying. You notice anything you pray for me get it, you know.
Anything you prefer, I
Yeah,
guess.
your child, I'm pray for you.
Try your luck.
Go me a child, me look here, turn on the look.
Your prayer no work. You don't think your prayer go ever work, Jayden?
Well, I hope me do.
What you do me?
Yeah.
You know what you do me?
I'm gonna move fast, so I don't want to say something. You know.
What?
I
Yeah,
want
boy.
me sold.
Alright.
Right.
Alright, share, 11 on the dot.
Yeah, man. Leave my bro.
Alright, sis God.
Alright, tomorrow.